Okay, hello everyone. We meet again for the bahasa Inggris terapan in psychology, so English for psychology. Yeah, we are going to discuss about political psychology. For these meetings. After we had some discussions related with political psychology, then uh, what was the materials, related with if we go to the philosophy in psychology for the social psychology that delving into how other shape our behavior. Now we are going to discuss about understanding the mind in politics, or it is not just about politics, everyone, but it can be about organization, if it is about interdisciplinary academic field, that of course dedicated into politics, politicians, then political behavior from, of course, psychological politics and point of view, or we can call it perspective, and how is the process of it. Remember, politics is not just about the government politics, we are having this in our daily life. I want to share this first, so I hope it can be an insightful explorations, of psychological influence. The verse, like what we had heard in the previous slide, that it's bridging politics and psychology, for deeper insight. Nah, uh, if we see from the understanding, so political psychology examines political phenomena through, this perspective, psychological lens, focusing on both individuals and group behavior. Remember, it can be individual and it can be group. So it is once again interdisciplinary. Then it's have the relationship between belief, motivations, and socio-political context that shaping political actions. So we'll have the belief and the context, that how belief shapes individual behavior within the various political context, and the motivation and dynamics, understanding motivations, which is essential, for analyzing political behavior. Then we are also having perception and cognition, that with that uh, behavior, group dynamics, belief. Of course, we have perception and cognitions. Then how is the impact? So if we want to say about the key application areas in political psychology, we must know about the leadership, because once again, it can shape, the individual behavior, but what? By belief on someone, the role models, and so on. Nah, uh, if we have this, in leadership, the understanding leaders in psychology, the psychology of leaders impact their decision making and effectiveness, influencing followers' motivation and group dynamics in political context. So it influencing, the policy making, influencing public opinion. That's why in a psychological principle, if you remember, in your theoretical course, help policymakers better decisions in a family, or in society. For example, we can have it the small one, RT, RW, yeah, village, and so on, until the government itself, or in your class, or in the university. So this is community, That's why that this voting behavior, can be what's that? Effectively shape and communicate policy that resonate with the public belief and value. Nah, so once again, if there is some followers motivation, it is also related with the followers, the voting behavior. It can be the group identity that influence the voting patterns, yeah, emotional appeals, yeah, often sway, yeah, public opinion during election. If we have this, yeah. Uh, uh, then for the next, yeah, we have another key, yeah. If we talk about political psychology, of course, we talk about a group, we talk about community, then we talk about that is not static but dynamic, yeah. So how's the group dynamics? Yeah, this understanding how individuals interact within the group illuminates the impact of collective behavior and political movement and decision-making process in society. Yeah, we have this from the extremists, for example, yeah. For another one, uh, for the investigate cellular roots, yeah, help uncover motivations, yeah, driving extremist ideologies. And then another one, understanding group affiliations play a crucial role in radicalization process, yeah, and examining social identity theories clarify in group or out group dynamics. Nah, so after that, yeah, we are also having personality influence, yeah, in politics, yeah, understanding how personality traits shape politic dynamic. Nah, this is also important, yeah. So personality, everyone have personality, right? But how's the influence? Yeah. So we have this, yeah, ada ini ya, influencing leadership styles, policy preferences, and voter choices. So, by examining individuals' rights, we can better understand the psychological dimension that drive political engagement, yeah, and decision making. This for the we have the trait based, yeah, for that one, yeah. So we have psychoanalytical approach, yeah, trait-based approach, and motive-based approach, yeah. For the uh, psychoanalytical approach, yeah, it's focused on the Freud's concept of id, ego, and superego. We have learned about it, yeah, in political behavior. Then, if we have some this so many, yeah, for that for the trait based approach, if we have examines individual traits like those from, you can read this one, yeah, Garden Allport's theory. And then for motive based approach, yeah, you can read this one for the power and affiliations that shape political engagement. Yeah, you can learn many things, yeah. What is the motive, why that community support this decision making? Oh, because they have motive. There's this approach, for example, related with uh, kinds of religion, kinds of race, and extra. Yeah. So there are many factors. Yeah. If you remember about the James Barber, yeah, a psychological expert that uh, suggested leadership's personality into three dimensions, yeah, characters, worldview, and also styles, yeah. Then for another expert, also emphasize on the dominance, yeah, and that interpersonal trust, and also self-esteem, whether this is related with introversions or extroversions, yeah, in interdisciplinary leadership view and also the policy shaping. And then you can learn from many things, yeah, many experts. Okay, for the political psychology of groups, yeah, we can have the dynamics and collective behavior, yeah, in political movement, yeah. Uh, if we talk about the politicals, yeah, groups, yeah, we can talk about the structure, the stability, the popularity, and the ability, yeah, to make successful decision in political parties, everyone. Yeah, group form and also the stability is based on berdasarkan apa itu? Size, yeah, can be based on the structure, can be based on the function, yeah, or purpose or aim, and then how's the group development itself. If the group size, we talk about group size, yeah. If we have some uh, smaller groups, yeah, that consist of a few individuals, yeah, are more committed usually, yeah, based on the theory, because there are such as a few, and then lower turnover rate, yeah, like a company, yeah, turnover, yeah, out and in, yeah, so they have more committed, and then yeah, for large one, yeah, uh, display greater levels of divergence, yeah, there are varies. That's why it have less conformity. That's one. Then another structure, yeah, group structure, for example, also emphasize on this one. Yeah, you can remember your materials, yeah, uh, previously, yeah, in bahasa Indonesia, yeah. Is that the structure is altered by the member diversity or by the effects of its fancy, yeah, or yeah, a role allocation, yeah, or role strength with the group and extra. So, or if you talk about group function, yeah, uh, it has a functional purpose, yeah, in a international attraction or another one, yeah. So, or it's trans by, for example, about economics, yeah, socioeconomic status or belief or attitude or maybe physical appearance, yeah, it can also have the group function, yeah. Okay, for this one, yeah, you can learn about it, yeah, the framework, yeah, whether from the framework itself for assessment in political psychology, yeah, we have some types, yeah, for the authoritarian personality. The other one is about the trait-based framework, yeah. Uh, if we talk about the authoritarian personality, yeah, you know that it's kind of a syndrome theory, yeah, that was developed by Arduino, yeah, or Adorno, yeah, so, and another one and Sanford and extra, yeah, from the University of California. Then this Adorno explained that the authoritarian personality, yeah, type, yeah, form a psychoanalytical, yeah, point of view, suggesting to be result of high, yeah, it is highly controlled and conventional parenting, yeah. You know about authoritarian parenting, yeah, it's also in a political strategy, and also like that is quite highly controlled and conventional one. So based on that one, yeah, that individuals with the authoritarian personality type had been stunned in terms of developing an ability to control, yeah, that one. And that's why if we have this, yeah, for the political relation, yeah, uh, it is also uh, constructed, yeah, by another one, this one, the other one, yeah, by the trait analysis, yeah. The trait analysis, yeah, if we have Sigmund Freud, yeah, it's also called by a Freudian approach, yeah, previously also suggested by the James Barber. Yeah, so it is about uh, personality analysis, yeah, in political personality analysis that also compromised by three dimensions, yeah. If you remember about the character, word for view, yeah, and also the style itself, yeah. So traits, yeah, traits. It's like biological one, yeah. So it's about the dominance, the interpersonal trust, then the self-esteem. Yeah. So if we have a portrait personality, yeah, it can be about the openness, yeah. The another one, yeah, can also learn about it. For this meeting, yeah, we have e-learnings. So there is no homework, yeah. Uh, the target from this meeting, yeah, you can remember and do revoking related with your memory, yeah, in political psychology. Then you can learn how's the types and so on, some of the theory, expert, as well as you learn, yeah, by listening into my presentations like this. This is just one of many competence, yeah, in ESP, yeah, in a psychology, English for psychology. Happy learning, everyone. Yeah, you can continue for elaborating these supporting references by reading the other website, journals, and also another book or theories related with it. Thank you, everyone. Yeah, goodbye.